We're about to hike this volcano here. And we just got warned that we're going into the jungle and that this is for amateur hikers.
For extreme hikers. So Kristen goes, why can't we just do anything normal on vacation?
I know. Like just go get a drink and hang by the beach.
Check them out.
They made sure that we had rain jackets and because it's going to be cold, you're going to get wet, muddy. But then we'll do the hot springs later. So down with that. I was thinking.
We're swimming in the lagoon that's on top of a volcano. A volcano. Well, inactive. Inactive.
Oh my goodness! Hello, friend. Oh my god, he's so like, cute. Look, this is my hand. That's how small it is.
Okay, come in here. Come in here, little buddy. Woo! You don't want it?
Doesn't want it.
Look at him!
Okay. Oh shoot.
He's so cute! Look at him. Can you see? He's so cute.
Hi, little buddy. He's like, it's raining. Fuck you guys.
Oh my goodness.
What a day.
We're tired. We had like an 8-hour, actually longer than that.
Like a 10-hour.
A 10-hour hike excursion. But it was so fun. And we just got back. The last thing was hot springs and we got facials with
volcanic ash.
Yeah. It was lovely. And now it's all of a sudden the weather was so good all day and now it's pouring, so it's
I guess it's time for bed.
Yeah, it's time for bed. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.
No snake sightings today though, so that was a big one.
No. Just rescued a gecko. That was exciting.
It was like a baby gecko.
The baby gecko, even more important.
I know, it was very cute. He didn't want to be rescued though.
No, he wanted to stay in here, that's for sure. Okay, that's all. Night.
Hey, night. We're packing up. We're heading out of our first hotel in La Fortuna. Not the nicest day today, so probably a good day to drive. Let's go check on the status of Pokey. We almost ready? Did you have fun in La Fortuna?
Yeah, I loved it.
I need a little bit more enthusiasm.
I loved it.
There we go. So once again, it's raining outside. What's new? Haven't seen a ton of sun yet on this trip, but where are we headed?
Monteverde.
We're headed to the cloud forest, Monteverde. Just the random cows in the middle of the road.
This is the highway too, by the way.
This is the main road to Monteverde.
Made it to our second destination. I guess technically third, but that was sketchy there for a second.
That was so sketchy. The road's not paved.
Oh my gosh, no.
Boulders and holes.
Could make like lunches and breakfast there. Mm-hmm. Bunk beds.
I get top. We're actually like, it's a lot cooler here than it was in La Fortuna.
It's over this way. Oh, there's like lots of storage space. Decent view.
And there's a hammock outside.
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to be using the hammock today.
What do we got?
God. Our Airbnb host just brought us down this adorable plate of fruit.
Not mad,
It
eh?
looks so good. I'm eating it right now.
You love it?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Are you gonna eat all the mango on me? No, you're not.
Just the mango and the pineapple.
Give me it.
Rainy day activities. Oh, looks good. Atta girl. We gonna watch TV shows in bed?
Yeah. There's actually babies.
Okay. Night.
Hi. Hi, other baby. Ready, boop boops? So gentle. Oh, right across the street. Hurry, 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 hurry. Hurry, hurry.
It's like 10 minutes later. We have a posse.